You've got your mortgage offer. It's official, it's in writing, and your lender has said yes. So now what? Are you nearly done, or is there still a long way to go? The truth is, the final stretch can be just as confusing as the application itself, especially if you've never bought a home here in the UK before. So let me walk you through what really happens after your mortgage offer is issued and what to expect all the way until completion. So before we tackle that, first I want to explain what a mortgage offer actually means. So a full mortgage offer is a formal confirmation from the lender that they've reviewed your application, they're happy with your documents, and they're committing to lend you the agreed amount for the specific property that you've chosen. This offer is normally valid for around 6 months. It depends on the lender. Sometimes it can be slightly more, sometimes slightly less. Either way, it doesn't mean that you're done yet. So once the offer has been issued, your solicitor will take over with a lot of the legal work behind the scenes. They'll check the property title, request the local authority searches, and go back and forth with the seller's solicitor to agree on all the final terms. If anything looks off, then what they'll do is flag it for you to discuss whether or not you should be proceeding on that basis. So that's of course there to protect you from any potential legal issues in the future. And here's what I always say at this stage. It takes time, right? Even if the mortgage offer is sorted, the legal process can still take weeks or months, depending on the property, how quickly everyone responds, and whether or not there is a chain involved. There are a few things you need not to do during this period. So firstly, please don't go and change jobs compared to the one that you've submitted the application for the mortgage on. Don't apply for new credit cards or loans because that can further affect your credit score. And if the lender redid the credit check, that could cause you all sorts of issues. Even if the offer is in place, the lender can still do those final checks. So it's important not to do anything that can cause those issues. Now, the question that everyone wants answered is how long until I can get my keys? From the day your mortgage offer is issued, the average time frame to completion is normally about 8 to 12 weeks. That can be shorter if it's a straightforward purchase with no chain or a new build purchase, but it can be longer if you're buying in a chain or the solicitors are busy or any searches come back with issues that then need further solving. So how do you avoid these delays? Well, there's two things that you can actually do. So stay responsive and stay ready. So if you've got emails coming in from your solicitor or paperwork to sign, the faster you get it done, the faster the solicitor can then proceed with their side themselves. So if you've just had your offer come through or you're getting close, breathe. You're nearly there. And if you've got questions about what's next, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll help wherever I can. And also, if this video has helped, please do give it a like or send it to someone who's just had their offer accepted on the property. Let's help you to get those keys, but the right way.